Hello and welcome to another episode of VC Val. This is my SIG Weld Skill welder. It's the 135 MIG. I thought I had an issue with this cable here, which goes to the gun. It's not plugged in at the moment because I've been touching the naughty electrical bits on the inside. But after pulling a good majority of the line apart to get access to the liner here, which is what has the copper wire off the spool there, I thought I'd run a bit of the old wire in reverse because I wanted to see where I assumed it was kinked, to see where it was kinking. So I fed it through this way, all the way through, and it come through here, no problems. But that was after I disassembled. There's a block inside here and had this off, so it worked fine. So I ran some weld wire through here and it worked fine. Got the shield there, and I thought I'll try the tip. So put the tip on, and that's where it was kinking. It's not actually the line is actually perfectly fine, because when I held this up to the light, you can see right through it. It looked perfectly fine, but on the camera, come on, zoom in. There we go. You can see that there's actually something stuck in there. So it's just the tip. So instead of spending $33 for a new liner or $109 for a new gun, with the liner and everything included, I just had to replace this little piece of crap. And yeah, looks like I'll be back in business, being able to do some repairs on my car and so forth. But yeah, no, it's absolute pain in the butt to have found it out. Yeah, because even, I can feel just going up and down on here. Whatever bit of slag it is in the tip there is causing a lot of grief. So, yeah, keep your tip clean. Isn't that what you always say, boys? Keep your tip clean. Alright, so I'm feeling like a bit of a dick now because I've spoken to quite a lot of people trying to find out how to get a replacement liner for this one. This doesn't come with a light. This is just a $5 light, so I can see what I'm doing. It's 11 o'clock, something like that here in Australia at night. So I thought I'd get this fixed so I can go and get a new liner in the morning, but problem solved. $5 for a packet of 5 of these or something like that. God knows what they're worth, but they're sacrificial anyway. Piece of shit, actually. Ugh. Actually think I got some in here anyway. Come on, you bastard. There we go. Problem solved. I do have a proper pair of pliers for them, but everything's a bit of a mess at the moment, so next 2 days off work, it's for me to clean. How's that look? Cock and a sock. Cock and a sock. So it looks a bit more robust to the other one. Goes on. Drilled. done. So this one, just file it with the rest of the rubbish. I'm not sure. Some of these tips might have come from somebody else, but I think they did anyway. This one here is obviously a fucked one. Oops. So maybe I was just talking to the wrong people. Apparently, shit gets stuck in the tip. Let's keep filing them. Done deal. So it's not exactly a welding cart. It's a trolley cart, but a toolbox cart. But stick my welder on there. It works perfect. It works perfect now. Anyway, sorry about this bit of long-winded video, but now I can start using my welder again. Happy about that. So, sorted. Done. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody that's a novice welder who doesn't know what they're doing like myself, and save yourself a bit of time from pulling apart all your shit. All I got to do is still put a cable tie around here, but inside here, just stop it from pulling the outer sleeve down. But yeah, don't have any cable ties handy at the moment. But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.